Y'all know what it's like to have a best friend. See this guy here? Yeah, he's a hunting dog. We hunt wild boar over here in Hawaii. 3 years ago, I rescued him off the streets of Aloha, Hawaii after he'd been hit by a car. I was lucky enough to get a veterinarian to pin his leg, and I rescued him and I brought him back. And now I live near Volcano, Hawaii, and he's the best boar hunting dog I've ever had in my life. We hunt wild boar up here, and we share our meat with our neighbors. That's called Aloha. When you share with people, it doesn't matter what color your skin is, it doesn't matter where you're from, you share and you create happiness and aloha.